Have you ever wished for a tool that could take over your tedious tasks? Imagine cutting down on your workload significantly. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll dive into a powerful AI tool that transformed my work life completely. Instead of feeling threatened, I found a way to thrive. I work as a freelance copywriter. My days were filled with writing product descriptions, emails, and landing pages. Then I discovered Copy.ai and everything changed. In just minutes, it produced high-quality content faster than I ever could. At first, I was overwhelmed by feelings of inadequacy. But then I had a breakthrough. What if I shifted my role? Instead of writing every piece, I could manage the entire workflow. I began using Copy.ai to generate drafts quickly. After creating the initial content, I refined it before delivering it to clients. This allowed me to take on 3 times the projects, achieving the same results with less effort. So what exactly is Copy.ai? It's a free tool designed to assist with various types of content creation. You can use it for website content, email marketing, TikTok hooks, product descriptions. The best part? You don't need advanced writing skills. Simply enter a prompt and you'll receive a polished result. Yes, this AI tool replaced my traditional job. But in return, it granted me more time, freedom, and a 3-fold increase in my income. I encourage you to give Copy.ai a try. If you want to learn about more effective AI tools, subscribe for our future videos.